Hello beauties, welcome and welcome again to this channel. If you are struggling to grasp hair while braiding from the root, this video is for you. So you might want to sit back, relax and learn and enjoy, as I'm gonna show you the hacks and techniques to do in order to achieve a beautiful seamless braid that you'll enjoy. So let's head over directly into this video. So the first step, just to watch closely, I'm just braiding a little braid just to help me attach my braid when I want to do the normal braid now. So just watch closely how I'm grasping the roots, then I'm attaching the braid. Yeah, and there you go, just little. You see how I tighten the braid. Yes, you just move it under the little braid that you've braided. Yeah, and just go on and go on that way and that way until you achieve the braid that is needed. I am doing normal twist on this client, but I'll start with 3 strands here and then switch to 2 strands normal twist and continue braiding from that stop. The aim of this channel is to help you, my viewer, to learn how to braid. I'm really concerned about you becoming a pro as a braider, so you might want to subscribe and like onto this video so that in future when I upload, you'll be the first one to be notified. So in this one, I want to show you closely how I grasp my hair for the small braid. So just look closely. Yeah, you need to tighten your hair very well so that your braid does not become loose. So your hand should be very tight and grasp all the hair from your client. The hair I'm using to make this twist is called Brazilian wool, and you can get it from any beauty shop around you. The twists achieved by this Brazilian hair wool are so good and they tend to last very long. So I really like the twists once I do to my clients. They look so natural, and you should get for yourself this type of hair. You won't be disappointed. believe at this point you are now able to grasp hair from the root and just do at least one braid to the hair here. Yeah, I believe I've educated you enough. So it's your turn now to at least like this video and comment whether I've done the correct thing or whether I've educated you in either way. Yeah, I would like to know from the comment section. Just appreciate if this video is so educative to you, if this video has been good, has educated you. Yeah, just acknowledge that and I'll really appreciate. So up to here, I want to let you enjoy this video and see the outcome of how this twist turned out to be.